and welcome to the OCC Transfer Center, the CSU application workshops. This specific video will be covering how to fill out the program materials quadrant in the CSU application. You will find the program materials at the bottom right under the My Application tab. This section is related to the campuses and majors you selected that you will be applying for. Each campus can customize the questions they ask you, so these questions will vary. Once you click on the quadrant, you will see all the campuses and majors you are applying to. If you see a mistake or do not see a campus you want to apply to, please be sure to add or edit in the Add Program tab at the top. When you click on a specific campus, you will notice a Home tab and additional tabs depending on the university. Again, questions can vary by campus and can be dependent on the major you have selected. The Home tab will give you an overview of the campus and major, as well as give you important program details and deadlines at the bottom. Campuses will also have a question tabs where they can inquire about many different things. For example, for Cal State Fullerton, the questions that they're asking you for is housing inquiry. Your response does not have any impact on your admissions decision, but it is used for financial aid planning purposes. Some campuses may ask you for the prerequisite fulfillment, in which they are asking for the equivalent courses you have taken to satisfy the major prep. For example, San Diego State, for the program I'm applying for, is asking for prerequisites. They will give you instructions at the top and ask you to match the following prerequisites. If you are not matching any course or test to the prerequisites, you would select the box to inform them of that. Please know that this could impact your admissions decision. To match one of your courses to their prerequisite, you will need to make sure all of your courses are entered in the academic history section. You will see that all of your courses will pop up so you can assign the correct course. Once you select the course, you can go ahead and scroll back up to the top and save and exit. You can utilize assist.org to ensure you are inputting the correct equivalent course, or if you have any questions, you can visit a Transfer Center counselor on drop-in. Some universities and programs may ask you to upload documents, in which you will be prompted to do so in this section. Once you see a green check mark next to the campus, that means you have completed all the additional questions that they have asked. Thank you for watching this short video on how to complete the program materials of the CSU application. If you have any questions, please visit the Transfer Center. Thank you.